Okay, I'm going to show you the next step in this now that we've got our great cranberry sauce with port wine put together. We're going to pour it into a bowl. Just like this, because we want this to start cooling. Perfect. Just like that. Get everybody. I wish you could smell this, but you will if you use this recipe. This is going to be great. Everybody's going to love it at your Thanksgiving table. And you can do this any time of year, you know, do it with chicken, anything you like. So I like to move it around a little, start to get some of the heat out of here, because what you're going to do once this cools is you're going to put a little wrap over it, a little saran wrap, and then you're going to put it in your refrigerator to cool. And this will stand up just really well for 3 to 5 days. And get ready for your feast. Bon appetit.